I love a good kitchen device that makes life easier, and one of the devices that will make life easier all the time is a microplane. This little thing can cut tiny, tiny, tiny shrivels of whatever food that you run past it. So, got a zest a lemon? This is where your microplane makes your life so much easier. You can also, when people say to mince ginger in recipes, I always do it on a microplane. I feel like it releases the essential oils better and that you get more flavor out of the food. You can also, if you don't like mincing garlic with your hands, you can also use it on your zester. Grate down some fresh nutmeg. Whole nutmeg is so much better than the ground stuff, and the microplane is going to make sure that it's easy every single time.